I'm Iputu Ajiska Pratamajaya from 4B MPP class attendance list number 9. Today, I'm going to make a pretty simple beverage. Yep, the name is Simple Sunrise Mocktail. First of all, we need to prepare the ingredients and the equipments. The equipments that we need to make this simple beverage are spoon, knife, straw, bowls, and the last one is the Pilsner glass. Then, the ingredients that we need to make this simple beverage are Sprite, orange syrup, strawberry syrup, cherry for the garnish, and the last one is ice cube. So, without any further ado, let's make it. The first step is pour the ice cube into the glass. Then, secondly, pour the strawberry syrup into the glass. The third step is add some orange syrup into the glass. Then, pour some Sprite until the glass full. After everything mixed so good, last but not least, we put some garnish into the top side of the glass. In this case, I use one cherry. Last but not least, just put straw into it. This is it! This is the Simple Sunrise Mocktail. I hope this video is useful for you who want to make this simple beverage at home. Thanks for watching and have a great day!